I'm going to show you how to send money from Wise to PayPal. If you want to send money from Wise to PayPal, you may need to link both accounts to the same bank account or card. You can transfer money from Wise to your bank account, then you can add money to your PayPal balance from the same account. So log into your Wise account and choose the balance you want to use. Click Send and enter the amount and currency you want to withdraw. You can send money in USD or a foreign currency. Follow the on-screen prompts to enter your bank details. If you've withdrawn money to the account before, your details may already be saved. Check that everything looks okay and click Send Money. Next, you'll need to log into your PayPal account and go to your wallet. Select Transfer Money and then select Add Money from your bank account or debit card. Enter the transaction amount and choose either in 3 to 5 days with your bank or in seconds with debit to add your balance. And by using your bank account as an intermediary to link Wise to PayPal, you can send money between the platforms with just a few clicks.